Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in Python to check if a set is a subset of another set or not. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to write the program, we are going to use VS Code, but you can choose any IDE of your own personal choice. So let's quickly move to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a new file and let the file name be simply code.py. Now what we want is we want to have two set, right? So let's have a pre-built set. Yeah, so one we are going to use a name set and another we are going to have another set. So let it be simply toppers. Yep. So now what we want is we want to check if this set toppers is the subset of names set or not. So this thing we can do with help of an inbuilt method in Python called isSubset. That is, we can check if a set is the part of another set or not with the help of an inbuilt method called isSubset. And the way how it works is we have to simply write the name of the set, that is, let it be simply here toppers, and dot is subset all in small, and within the parenthesis we have to provide another set inside which we are going to check. So over here let it be names. Now if this is true, that means toppers is the subset of names. So let's print it, right? And if that's not the case, that means toppers is not the part of names. Now let's simply run it and see it working. And boom, here you can see that we have got the output that yeah, toppers is the subset of names. Now let's manipulate it a bit and let it be Ayan. Okay, so positively it should be false, that is it should print this part. Now let's hit enter and see it working. And boom, here you can see that it's telling that yeah, toppers is not the subset of names. So this is how we can check if a set is the subset of another set or not in Python. I hope you understood the things very clearly, but still if you have any doubt or if you want to have programs or have videos on certain kind of programs, then please drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to cover it up as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. I hope you understood the things very clearly. See you in the next video. Thank you.